AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. You simply upload your code, and AWS automatically handles the infrastructure, scaling, and event processing. Here's how to work with AWS Lambda. Create a Lambda function. Sign into AWS Management Console. Navigate to AWS Management Console. Navigate to Lambda. In the AWS Services menu, select Lambda. Create function. Click Create Function and choose a deployment method. Configure Lambda function. Name your function. Provide a name for your function. Runtime. Select a supported runtime. Permissions. Attach the necessary IAM roles that grant permissions to access other AWS services. Write the code. Write your function code directly in the console editor or upload a package zip file or container image. Set up triggers. Lambda can be triggered by various AWS services like S3, API Gateway, CloudWatch, or custom applications. Test and deploy. Use the test feature in the AWS console to simulate events and validate your function. Once everything is configured, deploy the function and AWS takes care of the underlying infrastructure. Monitor and optimize. Monitor Lambda functions using CloudWatch for logs, metrics, and alarms. Optimize by setting memory limits and execution time to reduce cost.